Hello everyone! For our next craft, take an eggshell crate and then cut the bottom. Make petals out of this and paint it in red or any other color that you may like. After this, take a strip of paper, fold the narrow strip of paper into half and then make multiple cuts in the bottom. Roll this yellow sheet onto a toothpick and then add this to the center for rows. Next, take a pink sheet of circular paper and then fold it over. Also fold in the edges and then add a handle to the top. Add some roses to decorate it, the ones that you have made before. Also add some leaves for final touches. For our next craft, take a long sheet of gift wrapping paper, make it into 3 parts first and then make smaller folds as you go downwards and upwards. Once you are done with this, fold the paper halfways and then fold in the edges. Once again, open the entire sheet of paper but fold it towards the edges. Fold the downwards portion upwards and then fold the upwards portion downwards. Make a narrower fold than what is shown. We are just making patterns on the paper. This will help us fold it in properly in the later stages. Once you have folded it in on one side using the side edge, fold over the lower half as well and the upper half only on one of the sides. Repeat this on the other side as well. Then draw the pattern together and you should be left with a box. For our next craft, take some double-sided colored craft paper and then fold it as such. Fold the long edges inwards and then fold it once more into the fold. Do the same on the other side. Once you are done with this, fold it down in the center until you reach a triangular shape. Make multiple of these and insert them one into the other. Once you have completed the insertion process, you should be left with what looks like a 3D triangle. There you have it. For our next craft, we will be taking some gift wrapping paper and then fold it diagonally. We have chosen some galaxy themed paper. Then fold in the edges towards the center and then make a heart-like shape. However, do not fold it as such and only make the patterns. Then fold in the long edge and make really small folds. Unfold this and then join them together to make a fan-like pattern and stick the edge. Then proceed to fold it upwards and unfold the fan-like figure. Bend the edges downwards. Thank you for watching.